All right, guys, I'm gonna show you the sickest 24 Denali Ultimate diesel I've gotten in yet. I freaking love this truck. I love what we did to it. This is the baddest Ultimate that we have gotten in yet. Let me go over and show you what we did, show you how this truck came in. So it is the Ultimate, of course. You can see the front end, that is signature Ultimate. The big thing too that you do not see on all these, this has the light up GMC emblem, right? So at nighttime, that lights up. It is sweet. Do you need it? No, but if you're spending 90 grand plus, it's a sweet option to have, right? Why not get it with it? But again, guys, you got your Vader chrome front end, painted to match bumpers. You got some chrome here, but you'll see some of this truck's really blacked out, and that's not what you're gonna see on a lot of Ultimates. You will see more chrome on most Ultimates than what you're gonna see on this truck. So LED headlights, LED fog lights, right? Set up freaking nice. The other thing too, guys, and we did this, we took off the front valance, right? So that valance will hang down lower. We took that off to just give it more ground clearance because we did this set of 35-inch tires. It's a Nitto Ridge Grappler, on a 20-inch fuel wheel, okay? And guys, I freaking love how that wheel goes with this black truck. It's freaking sweet, right? So set of 20-inch fuels, 35-inch Nitto Ridge Grapplers, clean, right? We got rid of that valance just for the ground clearance. We had to do a little bit of trimming here, right? And as you can see in there, that is your fender liner. It's just that wheel well liner, right? We did have to trim that a little bit and a little bit down here as well, right? Just to make sure we don't have any rub. And I did drive this truck, it does not rub. So that is good. The other thing, guys, these marker lights, we replace these to the all black ones instead of having the orange ones, right? Because that orange is ugly. Again, another thing, I don't know why they don't just do it from factory. I don't know if, do any of you guys like the orange marker lights? I want to hear that, right? So again, we go here, Ultimate package, got the Denali mountain range, topographical map, the Vader chrome here as well, okay? This is all blacked out, right? And this actually would have been wrapped, right? So the top of the mirror cover, all blacked out. The Denali HD, all blacked out, right? The edge of the running board, instead of chrome, all blacked out, right? Freaking sweet. These door handles are chrome yet, right? So if you want to black it out completely, you black out those front tow hooks, right? Or just maybe you order black ones and you black out these door handles, right? Everything else is blacked out in this truck, which freaking, I love it. So, got your diesel, your DEF fluid, right? Little step right there. The other thing, guys, and this is debatable. I don't know which way I like it better, but this has the plastic wheel arch moldings. You can get these painted to match from factory. We order them direct from factory, already painted, whatever color combo your truck is, as opposed to taking the flares off and getting them painted. We just order brand new ones painted to match. They're not that bad. I think we can get a set of them for around $1,000, right? So a set of 4 for around $1,000, 1,200 bucks, something like that. But these are the plastic ones, which really, guys, with the bigger wheel and tire, the plastic's probably better. It's not going to chip up, right? The painted to match probably will get chipped up if you're running this thing off-road or on dirt, gravel roads, right? Got your little step there. Sensors in the rear bumper. The GMC, this is all blacked out. That Denali, all blacked out, right? We got the signature multi-pro tailgate, right? So that bad boy flips down. You got your kicker audio system, right? That is Bluetooth pairable, right? Sweet option on these trucks. Gooseneck fifth wheel prep. You got all your wiring in here, right? You got your spray and bed liner with the Denali in the back, okay? And we go around. Guys, again, I love how this truck's set up. And the only thing too, as you can see, just pulling it through the lot, it's sprayed up a little mud, right? So if it was me, I would throw a set. You can get the factory extended mud flaps, right? They're the same hard plastic molded, but you just get the extended option, which kicks those out a little bit more and it won't spray up as much, right? That's the only thing I would do yet to this truck. but I freaking love how this truck looks. Let me show you the inside of it. All right, so inside of this truck, right, you can see here, Signature Ultimate interior. You got your dark brown leather, you got the massage seats, you got the sunroof, you got the tech package, the suede headliner, power sliding rear window, right? Integrated trailer brake controller there. You have your big center console. You can get that with an optional center console safe, guys, which is kind of cool. Now, the other thing this truck has, which I have not seen one yet with, is the light up sill plates right there. You can see that Denali lights up on that sill plate. It is a like chromed sill plate. Freaking sweet, right? A very cool option there. The other thing, I'm gonna have to get the camera to zoom in on this, is this has the optional sport pedals, right? Which gives you that chrome pedal cover. Again, little features, guys, but if you're spending this much money, why not just do it? You know what I mean? Like if you're spending $95,000 on a pickup truck, which is not how much this one is, I'll get into that at the end of the video, but why not spend an extra grand, $2,000, $3,000, get it set up exactly the way you want, right? If you can't afford that, you probably shouldn't spend $95,000, just saying. So we got this beast, let's start this thing up. This is the 6.6 Duramax diesel, no mods to this engine, all stock there, right? When I drive these trucks, guys, I always run a Banks pedal monster in it, just plugs right into the OBD, but that gets rid of your dead pedal, gets rid of that lag. I love it. I've been driving them with it, and I can't go back now. But of course, you got navigation. As you can actually see here, this is paired up right to my Apple CarPlay because I was driving this truck. Heated cooled seats, heated steering wheel, dual zone climate, diesel exhaust brake. You got your power tailgate release right here. It has adaptive cruise and regular cruise. Guys, again, sweet truck. Got your power slider rear window. Let's go to the back, I'll show you this. So guys, back of this truck again, heated rear seats, vents here in the back. This guy flips down, you got some cup holders there, right? All this does flip up, and then this guy has the optional cargo holder right down here, right? And this truck, you can see, actually this is like a gun holder, so you actually can put your guns right here in the back, which is pretty sweet, right? So, I mean, hey, if you're like me, you like having one of those with you when you drive, kind of cool, right? You got your all-weather floor liners, and again, guys, sweet freaking truck. These interiors are awesome. Let's go back outside. All right, so guys, the sickest Denali Ultimate 2500 diesel I've had in yet, my favorite build to date, is this truck. It is on my website right now. It's 2024 with I think it's 8,500 miles on it, right? So 8,500 miles. It is the Ultimate. It is the diesel. And that truck I have up for upper 80s on my website, right? I want to say it's like 87.9 on the site. So the wheels and tires, guys, that alone right there is going to run you probably $4 to $5 grand, okay? And that's not, so you take that off the truck and you're getting an 8,500 mile truck for, you know, heck, under 85 grand, right? And then you add the wheels and tires into it. That's why I'm asking what I'm asking, right? So it is a great buy. Check it out on my site. And if I don't have this one, I always have more of these trucks, and I can do this build on anything I have. So again, guys, tell me what you think. If you like this build, I'm freaking stoked about it. But again, sweet truck. Be sure to hit subscribe, guys, for more content, more videos. We are trying to hit 50,000 subs this year. So if you like the content, hit subscribe, tell your friends. Thank you for watching.